Alright guys, as I given a first talk, let me show you exactly what my position are here. And right now here I can see this first one was Grasim. So here I can see I placed my buy order somewhere 1440 somewhere there, but it didn't trigger my buy order. But still here I can see price just we have seen this is the bullish candle. So tomorrow I'll place my buy order above 1440 somewhere there. If price goes up, so it will trigger my buy order. So basically I'm using option strategy here. So this is called bull synthetic. Bull synthetic is a very interesting trading strategy. When we are confirming that price will go up, we are using. Most of the people are asking me, sir, why you not applying like naked call order? If I place naked call order, if it's take time, suppose my target is somewhere around 1470. If it's take time like 3 days, 4 days, 1 week, 15 days, whatever, so I have to pay the premium. Like this is called what called that one? Time decay. All right, theta. So that is why I'm using a synthetic call bull. All right. So if price stay like sideways, so I'll be profitable. All right. So next stock SBI Life, it's triggered my order. So somewhere there it's triggered, but right now I'm profitable. Here also I'm applying synthetic call, bull call strategy. And next one, this one also already triggered. Infy, Infosys. Still I'm profitable. And next here you can see this one Sun Pharma. It's a triggered, but it's just showing a little more losses. It's okay. If price drop, I'll close. My loss will be very minimum because I'll close. I never hold my position till expiry. All right. So let's discuss today some stock for tomorrow, one by one. So for tomorrow, I'm looking for 3 stock. First one SBI. Already I have position here. So if you don't have any position, so you can go for tomorrow, and you can next target will be 1030. All right. So I'm applying a synthetic bull call trading strategy in option. Another one also Grasim. So here you can see moving average crossover and volume is too high. RSI also pointing toward the upside. So we expecting the price will hit this level around 1470. That is my target. Once price hit this level, so I'll close. Already I have position. So newly I'll add another stock that is called Tatasteel. Let me zoom here. Tatasteel. All right, this one Tatasteel. Tatasteel here you can see today we have seen this the bullish candle. And I'm looking for buy once price break the level of 1115 means 1115. Once price break this level, so definitely I'll go for buy. All right, and here I'll apply synthetic bull call. Let me show you how exactly I'm applying synthetic bull call Tatasteel. Let's jump to Obstra for your better understanding. Okay. Yeah. What is the stock name? Tatasteel. Yeah, this one, baby. Okay, I'm looking for buy. Next expiry like 24th June. And let's jump to option chain. Here I can see this one option chain. So right now price around 1090. Am I right? No, it's 1090 somewhere here, almost same. All right, so let's jump to here 1090. What is yeah? So what I'll do first, I'll buy a call, just one strike out of the money. It will be around 11 10. That will be 11 10. Let's see here. So let's but tomorrow it's depend on tomorrow opening. So I wanna show you here something like that. I'll buy here one strike price above, buy, call, add position. So after that I'll sell one strike price below, put option, add position. So it will look like a straight call buying. Am I right? Straight call, sorry, not straight stock buying. If price goes up, unlimited profit. If price drop, unlimited loss. All right. To hedge my losses, so what I'll do here, I'll buy a put option. So let's see. Yeah, now it will look like very interesting. Have you seen it? Yeah. All right. So if price goes toward upside, my profit will be unlimited. If price drop, loss will be very minimum. All right. And most of the people here, you can see maximum loss. It's just showing 49,000. Most of the people are thinking, hey, it's a big amount. But remember, I never hold my position till expiry, so everybody knows. So suppose price drop, I bought here, my SL will be somewhere around at 1080. Let's see, 1080. If price drop to this level, I'll close my position. So let's see here, 1080. Where is the 1080? Yeah, 1080. Have you seen 1080? Okay, here I can see. Let me zoom here. 1080. 80 to 80. Yeah, let me zoom here. Just a minute. Yeah, now I can see 1080. My maximum loss, 1080. My maximum loss is just showing 1,900 only. If price drop, if price goes against me, I'll close my position. All right. Is it interesting? That is my SL. I never hold my position till expiry. If I hold my position till expiry, my loss is just showing around 1,400. So let's say 50,000. But remember, I never hold. If price goes against me to the level of 1080, I'll close my position by paying 1,009. Let's say 2,000. By paying 2,000, if price goes like where is my target? Let me show you. Where is my target? Sorry. Where is my target? Okay, my target is somewhere 1230. If price goes 1230, yeah, let me connect. Yeah, 1230. Now you can see my profit 89,920. That is very interesting trading strategy. So I'll hold my position till expiry. All right. So that is very unique trading strategy. So basically I'm applying. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.